Hey sightseers, we stumbled upon the most amazing place, and we get to camp here for free. That's right, I couldn't believe my ears either when I discovered that this place allows free camping and it's entirely legal. You want to know more about this special spot? Come on, I'll show you around. I thought, what the heck, let's check this place out. And when I looked it up on the website and discovered that it's free to camp here, I was like, I'm in. We're going. This is what is considered an improved site. There are no hookups, so this is all boondocking or dry camping, as you want to call it. There is a nice shelter over there with picnic tables, and there's also what's considered a fire pit or fire ring. We'll walk over there here in a second and I'll show you that more close up. We were able to find a spot that's relatively level, and as I showed you just before, a totally awesome view. Over here you have your pit or your campfire ring where you can sit around and sing Kumbaya and watch the stars at night. And then of course, can't forget about grilling out. Just like Mad Dog and Meryl, you can be cooking up your hot dogs and your hamburgers over a charcoal fire. The picnic areas are fabulous. They give you a lot of nice shade, and as I said before, the views are just fantastic. And there's 2 picnic tables, so if you have a larger group, there's plenty of room for all. I get that not everybody's into the total roughing it type of camping, and this campground actually has running water. The bathrooms are gender neutral, and there's 4 of them, and each one has a toilet and a shower and a sink. Nothing fancy, just your basic bathroom. But it works if you need a place to clean up. Of course, the campground has its basic set of rules, nothing out of the ordinary. Quiet hours are from 10 to 6. Pets need to be kept on a leash. No fires during fire bans. And right now they have a fire ban going. So you can see that everything around here is dry, and it wouldn't take nothing but a small spark and this whole place would probably be up in flames. One other thing. Don't plan on getting all drunk and disorderly because they'll come and arrest you. At least that's what it says here in the rules. And where can you camp for free with such fabulous views? Let me tell you. We are in Lake Meredith National Recreation Area, and as of the date of this video, the National Park Services doesn't charge a fee for entering the recreation area or for camping. It's probably one of the best kept secrets out there. At least it was a secret to me. I didn't even know the place existed until I ran across it on our map of Texas. Lake Meredith is formed by a dam on the Canadian River, and the dam is located over in Sanford, which is up in that direction. We're actually about 30 miles northeast of Amarillo, and as you look around, you can see this place is just pure heaven. Of course, this isn't the only campground in Lake Meredith National Recreation Area. There are a number of other campgrounds. This just happened to be the one that we picked for our size rig. The stay limit is 14 days, 30 days during hunting season. If you are so inclined, you can stay in this little slice of heaven for up to 14 days. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, Lake Meredith is definitely the place to come.